Good morning, students. This is exercise 6.2, third question. Cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when a is equals to 30 degree. So just you are substituting the value a is equal to 30 degree wherever a is given. Okay. So cos 3 into 30, which is equal to 4 into root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos 30? It is root 3 by 2, the whole cube, minus again 3 cos a. And then after the cancellation, we get both the left hand side and the right hand side to be 0. Since left hand side is equal to right hand side, we have completed that both the sides are equal. So the question is to verify, it is given. So we have verified the answers. Now the next question is find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x when x is equals to 15 degree. So wherever the x is there, we have to substitute in the place 15. So 8 sin 2 15 cos 4 15 sin 6 15. So you are getting the value to be sin 30 cos 60 and sin 90. The value of sin 30 it's known and cos 60 it's known and sin 90 it is known. So which we have to be substituted and we get the value to be 2. Okay. Sin theta is equals to cos of 90 minus theta. These are the formulas to be learned by yourself. Trigonometric ratio for the complementary angles. Okay. So here we are going to learn with the theta values. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. In the same way for cosecant and secant. For cosecant theta is equal to secant of 90 minus theta. Okay, so secant of 90 minus theta means cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta means secant theta. And tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So these 6 formulas to be learned thoroughly for further exercises. For further sums, you have to learn all these 6 formulas. These formulas are most important. So learn and write. Then it will be easy for us to continue with the remaining sums. Now example 6.7, express sin 74 degree in terms of cosine. It is given that sin 74 we have to give in terms of the cos. Okay, so let us see what is the solution for this. So first we have to write that sin 74. It can be written as sin of 90 minus 16. 90 minus 16 is also 74. Okay, so we are writing 90 minus 16. Then sin of 90 minus theta, just now we learn the formula. Now sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we can write directly it is cos 16. Okay. The second sum is tan 12. We have to give in terms of the cot. So tan of 90 minus theta, whatever it is given, we have to write in the same way of 90 minus. So 90 minus 78, which gives you the tan 12. So tan of 90 minus 78. Now, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to the formula is cot theta. Therefore, cot 78. Okay. So, in this way, we can do the other sum also like cosecant of 39 in terms of the secant. Cosecant of 39 is equal to cosecant of 90 minus 51, which gives you 39. Now, we can write cosecant of 90 minus theta is nothing but secant theta, which we know already very well. Cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Therefore, we can write the answer to be secant 51. Okay. Then, the next example, 6.8, evaluate sin 49 degree by cos 41 degree. Why I am telling you all these examples? Because before going to the exercise sums, if you learn 1 or 2 of the example sums, then it will be very easy for you to complete the exercise sums. Sin 49 degree by cos 41 degree. So it can be written as sin 49 can be written as sin of 90 minus 41. Sin of 90 minus 41 is cos 41. Okay, and already we know that it is given under cos 41. So for the numerator value we can write cos 41. In denominator already it is cos 41 only. So when we are cancelling that, we'll be getting the answer to be 1. Okay, so the answer for this question is 1. The second question, secant of 63 degree minus cosecant of 27 degree. Okay, so secant 63 can be written as secant of 90 minus 27. Secant of 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. So cosecant 27. Numerator and the denominator which we have the same value. See, numerator is cosecant 27. Denominator already we have cosecant 27. So I can cancel. I can get the answer to be 1. So complete till this. Thank you.